Earth magic, nature, rituals, charms. The ancestors speak. Take a look at your everyday rituals and charms. Find ways of bringing some magic into your daily routine. Watch the sunrise or dip your toes in the ocean and invite the wonder and healing of nature to your world. Incorporate ritual into your spiritual practices. Herbs, crystals, or natural remedies may hold an answer for you. Divinatory meaning. Learn more about earth and water spirits and how you can connect with their energy in and around your environment. Go to a place in nature that draws you, such as a forest, mountain, river, or the sea. Once you feel you are at the right place, physically protect yourself. Quieten your mind, meditate and focus on what you feel around you and what you see in your mind's eye. You may be surprised at the nature spirits you sense around you. This card may also be prompting you to make a talisman for yourself or to carry a protective crystal with you. I brought my rose quartz with me. It's what I've been carrying around lately. And it's like, it's all about love. It's all about like helping me open, align, unblock, my heart chakra, love around me, love within, love for nature, animals, people, everyone. It's just been really beautiful. And it's helping me to balance my energy, honestly. Not every day is easy. And sometimes it's hard to tap into that energy. So this rose quartz has been helping me. And I believe that. I was in the beach the other day, so I was able to put my feet in the water and, walk in the sand and really just feel at peace, centered, like really good. I was drained the rest of the day because I was just out in the sun, but also just sitting in the sun. Like they were saying, sun gazing. I can just sit in the sun and enjoy the energy that I receive from that. So yeah. Cool.